Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create the film berm transition for your edits in CapCut. So first, just add your videos and click on the transition box in between the clips. Find the light effect category, and in here you can just find the one you like. There are glare, there are old film, glare, there's a flashback, and you can just choose which one. I'm going to use the glare 2 and adjust the duration like this. Click on a check icon. You can also add sound effects. Here I'm going to find the film projector sound effect and add it to my clips. Click on the plus icon, place it in between the clips, and let's see if it fits. Okay, so that's the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.